All right, here I will pop my face on real quick. Hello. So I have my trash bag and then my bag for putting in another room. This is my junk drawer. This is an expired EpiPen. I have to see if I discarded that in a special way or something. We'll just start over here, I guess. And I have these little dividers, which help keep things organized, obviously. So organized. So here we have, is this gonna focus? There we go. Just all sorts of pens and all that stuff. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this Expo cleaner. Here's a little crayon thing Cora has. Now, what are you? Is this an eraser? Great eraser. Wonderful. So we have a bunch of pens, and do we need all of them? No. I'm gonna put some in the office because we don't need all of these here. So I'm gonna keep just a couple. Those can go in the office. The colored, they're like different colored pens. I'm not gonna keep those up here. I'll keep like some basic. So we'll keep maybe 3 pens up here, and then for now I'll just put these back in here. I'll organize later. So that's saying little calculator, of course. These Play-Dohs I take out sometimes when Cora's like waiting for dinner or something. She can play at the table with those. These I think I'm gonna put in the basement. They're crayons too. They're like little animal crayons. Aren't they cute? Those can go in another room. Now we'll take out this guy, just some more. These are markers and dry erase, though of course, like a pencil snuck in, I'm gonna put that in with the pens, but this should just be dry erase and markers. This is like a crayon I'm gonna put down in the basement. I'll leave a couple crayons up here for her to play with at the table. Let me grab all the dry erase. So there's 3 dry erase, and I can leave those up here. Permanent marker, I use this all the time for more. I put dates on items in the fridge and stuff. Definitely gonna keep those. Another dry erase, now I'll put that in the basement. Now these, the wine markers. That is like if you're having a party and you wanna mark them, the glasses, they do come in handy. I will keep those. And then these are some more permanent markers, which are good to have. So I will keep all of those. These are old batteries. I'm gonna have to keep some of these out. I have more on the counter. I'm gonna put them here so I discard of them correctly. And here's a 3rd crayon. That's where it is. I had 3 primary color crayons or something. So that all fits in one, which is nice. And then, oh, there's a 2nd calculator. So I'll keep the pink one up here and put this in. See if my husband wants that for his office. Who needs 3 tape measures? You're looking at her, okay? Where? There we go. I got a big one. And then this one is really Cora's. It's like a fabric one, but she plays with it all the time. And this one actually, I should put in my purse. You know, sometimes you need to measure stuff. Yeah, like I need one more thing in my purse. I'm actually, what should I do with this, guys? Get rid of it? I'm gonna get rid of it. I'll give it away though. So I didn't have a giveaway. I didn't think I'd be giving anything away. So we'll have a little giveaway pile right there. All right, here in the front, I always do keep 2 scissors here. Those will stay. This is the best thing ever. It is screwdrivers. Why aren't you focusing? I don't know what the problem is today, but it's a screwdriver. It's like a million different screwdriver things. This is a scraper. I have 1 letter opener that we'll keep in here. Flashlight. You always need a flashlight, don't you? Another letter opener. I don't need more than 1. Which one should I keep up here? I'm going to keep this smaller one up here. I'll put this in the office. Okay, keep that one. Rollers I'm gonna put down with like kids supplies. 2 flashlights. Let's make sure these suckers work. That one works. That one works. Put that down. upstairs, give to my husband, give him all the clutter. A lighter, just because you never know if you need to light a candle or something. Do we need 2? No. Safety pins I'll put with that stuff. Oh, here's a little Allen wrench. I'll give that to my husband. He'll put it with his tools. I just have, this is like my little cards that I don't use. That is, I'm going to have to discard those. I'll cut them up or whatever. Because I have other ones that are already on my keychain for both of those. This is the trash bag. Got a little bobble bar thing. All sorts of trash. Come on. Dust and trash, and dust and trash, and dust and trash. And then, here, this should be interesting. I don't really need this little hook anymore. Alcohol swab I've had since like 1968. Here are dead batteries. And I'll put up with the other batteries up there. And then there's just some more trash. Like this thing, don't know who you are or what you belong to. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this here. Anyway, that's trash. You don't even need to see it. Here's a little battery. Get rid of him. Here's a battery that's like corroded. Probably got nasty stuff on me. I'm gonna probably croak in the next 10 minutes. Here's some coins. You can put upstairs in the coin bin. Yeah, we have a coin bin thing. Safety pins I'll put in this. Here's a chain. You know, you lose chains. You're like, oh, I could use that for something, and you don't, and you put it in the trash. This is all things that stick stuff together, like tape and rubber bands and paper clips and safety pins. So these are all full. They do have tape in them. I'll keep all those. There's some rubber bands. Definitely use those. An eraser that we have 9,000 of. That can just go in the trash. Sorry, but we have like 5 billion. A little stapler with staples. Keep that. The best glue ever. Oops, it's upside down. Safety pins. Little eraser, another eraser. And this Velcro, which has come in handy when I've wanted to put an ice pack around my leg. So, see, you never know. It's always good to have matches in case your lighter goes out and you need fire. I'm very like, in case of emergency person, if you haven't noticed. Okay, that was creepy. This is deposited checks online. I need to take those to upstairs, so I'm gonna put them here so I don't want to take them out. And then I leave that Ziploc. So anytime I deposit checks, I put it in there to be filed away. This is something for my insurance. I will put that in my file box. This is trash. It's just a piece of paper with some writing on it. These are awesome. They're like, you put them on the bottom of stuffs. I don't know if you can see them. They're little rubber like feet you put on. I put on like home decor stuff. I don't want to scratch the counter. Definitely keeping that. These are stickers. I put stickers on Cora's lunch. That's cool. That's trash. I think we have enough crayons. I'm gonna put those in giveaway. Where's my giveaway pile? There we go. Trash. All sorts of trash. It's lovely. There's all this stuff you get from like McDonald's or whatever. Who knows where it comes from. Here's some more stickers. Again, for Cora's lunch. And you don't use it. So this is the little sweet shop. I'm going to take that out. This is good for traveling. I'm going to put that in the car. It's good for, it's like magnetic stuff. This is our Christmas card this year. Isn't that precious? And I don't need them. I'm going to put them away somewhere. And then an old health insurance card. So now we have just paper in here. So this is like Post-its. And I can put the stickers in here. We have an empty sanitizer. We have this thing that I was like, oh, we could totally use this somehow to like weigh a balloon down or whatever. You know what? We haven't used it. It's probably been a year. It's always good to have a hair thing in here. I do use that. These things I'll give away. Cora doesn't need these anymore. That can be in the giveaway pile. This is just an extra like plug. I don't even know where it was. We'll get rid of it. These I'm going to go put back on the door things. You know, they bounce the doors. I'm going to put them back. Some rubber bands. They're old and crusty. I put them in the trash. There's like coins in here. There's coins and then also like foreign coins, but I'll put the regular ones in the coin bank. And the foreign ones, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those because I'm not in another country. This part of like a command hook thing, I'm gonna trash that. This obviously belongs to something. I have no idea still. It's been in there a year. Trash. Just little bits and bobs, trash. These I'm gonna give to my husband to put in his toolkit because these are useful. Little hooks. A little nail. So, here's some Zycam, best stuff ever, by the way, to help send colds away. Some more foreign money. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Little SIM card. I'm gonna have my husband put. He has like a bunch of camera stuff together. I'll let him have that. Tissues. This is always good to have up here. In the junk drawer. Trash. So now it's pretty cool. Really, we've cleared out a couple of these containers, so that's good. Now, what's in here? This is good, lip balm. Yes, we'll keep that. Flintstones vitamin. Yes. Coupon, but I'm gonna keep that out and put it in my purse. Band-Aid, no, I'm gonna put that upstairs where the Band-Aids are. It is good to have a brush down here. I'll leave that. More, I mean, I'm gonna be rich when I go to these other countries, you know? We don't need all these. I'm gonna put these upstairs in Cora's room. We don't need them here. They just end up here sometimes. This is hilarious. It's one of those things I was like, this is gonna come in so useful. This Ninja wallet thing, you're supposed to really keep it in your wallet. Bottle opener, can. I feel like I'm gonna put that in my wallet. It's one of those in case of emergency things, right? I know I sound crazy. Oh, hey, dinner's on me, guys. Dinner's on me when we go, was that Italy? I don't even know. Another hairband. Another rubber band. We have 50 rubber bands. We don't need all those rubber bands, and a lot of them are old and like, you know, they start breaking. They do. Here is, that can be trash. That's smiley face stickers. You know, you get so many stickers when you have a little one. They get them like in their little party bags. I look so creepy. I'm like, Gandalf. Party bags and just from everything. I feel like they always have stickers everywhere, and we don't need them. That is trash. That's a broken magnet. Now these are magnets. I have a magnet collection from all the places I've like ever visited. I have like all these. I love cookies. This one I can get rid of. I'll give that one away. Like Born to Shop. I don't need those. Those are from the Dollar Tree. This is from my friend. But all these down here are all from Italy, my honeymoon. I guess I could go and get rid of some. Anyone who tells you money can't buy happiness just doesn't know where to shop. I thought that was funny. And I do reach in here when I need an extra magnet to put something on the fridge. This is my little Obama one. I know I'll get some thumbs down, but thumbs up from me. Arizona. I love Boys, They're Stupid. I had that in my 20s. I can get rid of that one. Talk about stupid. I've got a little New York one. Oh my gosh, Bubbles. Okay, I haven't gone to Bubbles in years. Throwing that away. It was like a frequent flyer. This is Palm Beach from my dad. It's from, oh my god, Yellowstone Park. That was from my ex-boyfriend. That's hilarious. Do I need memories of my ex-boyfriend? No. This also reminds me of my ex-boyfriend. That can be a giveaway. I should give away the other one, but I can't find it. Oh, here's a little, we're gonna throw that away. We have so many little pencils. This is Brussels. My husband's sister lives there. Little pizza, that was from Italy. Norway, my best friend gave me when he visited Norway. Extra care card. Get rid of that. I don't use that one anymore. Hold on. Canada, oh my gosh. I got this when I was like 9 years old. Oh my god, I was that baby. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get rid of this, but how funny is this? Oh my gosh. Troy, Brad Pitt. Hilarious. Oh my god. That can go and give away. I'm sure someone would. Guys, if you have a kid around, don't let them see this. Go after yourself. What? I can't believe myself. Okay. Giveaway pile. That's hilarious though. Oh, let me break these. Yesterday's. video I broke some stuff. These are actually pretty. I forgot I had these. They're kind of cool, huh? And then a little flip-flop. That one's really looking dingy. A happy heart makes a face cheerful. That's cute, but I won't use that. Anyway, we still have like a ton of magnets here. Don't know what to do with that. Can I make a collage somewhere? So I don't know. Is there anything fun to do with these besides clutter up my junk drawer? So I'll put that back there. And this I still haven't used. Maybe I'll leave it out. It's like where you put your key under your car for an extra key. I'll probably just get rid of it. Then we got some more paper clips. Definitely can use those. And then this is the key to Cora's register because she loses the other one. There's two. Smart, they give you two. So I can take that one there. It's like it's a fake register, okay? Don't come trying to steal her real gold. It's fake. All right, now envelopes. Good to have. Maybe I'll put those with the paper products. Now these are magnets we change seasonally for, they're from like the Dollar Tree. On the freezer, we have like a low freezer. Cora plays with these on the fridge and freezer all the time. So like right now there's the spring ones and stuff. So I do use those. These little bags, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'll find another home for them because I don't want to waste them, but we could probably use them as like the small trash bags in like the bathrooms and stuff. Here are, let's see, I have a bunch of stamps. That's what they're called, Kirsty. Stamps. Thank you cards, which I'm actually going to put back up because I didn't even remember these are here. So I'm going to put them and their little guys back up with my thank you cards because I obviously forgot about them. But let me just reorganize this real quick because I can't leave it like this. And I stabbed myself with the letter opener. And I'll be back after the bludgeon.